Top Hydrofit, a company established in 2003, is emerging as a leading manufacturer of hydraulic fittings. We have a set of sophisticated CNC machines for high-precision manufacturing without a scope for manual intervention and errors. The automation helps us to maintain high quality in spite of high volume and speed of manufacturing. Our facility is designed to ensure high-quality production at required speed, thereby manufacturing precision-turned components and fittings of international standards. We use best possible packaging material which keeps the components in good shape in transit after shipping. Top Hydrofit, always top class.